Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 3 of Summer Pathfinders 2025 with Firia Labs. Woo woo! Okay, I see some smiles. Here we go. Okay, I gotta see how we're doing this morning with the thumbs. Okay, we're doing good. All right. Okay, in this order. All right.
We are going to start with our remix share out. And if you have a remix to share, then share it.
Okay, so let's press on then with mission 2. So, hey, we're getting ready to start working with a drone here. So we got this drone called the Code Air. You know, there's a few reasons why you might want to use a drone for education. One of them is esports. So we've completed mission 2, introducing the Code Air. Right at the beginning of our Python with drones adventure, we're running code on the drone.
Then we're going to get right into mission 3.
So here we are. Looks like we're starting with ground school. Okay, running lights have been validated. Our drone is marked and illuminated for flight.
We are back from lunch. We are ready to rock it. I'm calling it a mini session. It's kind of like our keynote for today. What some of the missions look like virtually here. We call it the Haunted Code Chronicles. And it also uses our virtual code bot.
You must take a group of students through this. All right, so we made it to mission 4, light safety. I think we've done it. Objective 6. We did the work ourselves. We figured it out.
And with that, please do your reflection and then you are free to go.